as the amount which as the amount or as the what we say punishment for the Norwegian king. तो वो कहता है सोस कि ये जो नॉर्वेन किंग है आर्मी वो हार तो गए, लेकिन अब उनके जो सैनिक मर गए हैं उनको दफनाने के लिए वो हमसे परमिशन मांग रहे हैं। और मैकबेथ ने कह दिया कि जब तक ये $10,000 नहीं दे दें तब तक ये हमारे यहाँ पे इनके सैनिकों को नहीं दफना सकते हैं। तो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, हियर ऑल्सो अगेन यू विल सी दैट हाउ पावरफुल the Captain Macbeth is, the General Macbeth is. I mean, he decides everything. First, he wins in the battle with Benko, fighting. He fights there, and then when he wins the fight, he decides that what punishment should be given to a rebel or to an enemy army. I mean, king has no role, and it shows that the Macbeth has great power, is a protagonist, is such a character which may arise pity and fear among the audience when his fate brings him to a tomb. अर्थ ये है कि जब एक इतना अच्छा कैप्टन जो कि बहादुर हैं, वीर हैं, साहसी हैं और सबके लिए लड़ रहा है, लेकिन जब उसका जो है कंडीशंस उसका खराब होती हैं, सभी लोग उसके विरोध में हो जाते हैं और उसको जब मृत्यु मिलती है उस समय दर्शकों की दया और सहानुभूति उसके साथ में होती है। तो ये जो है एक ट्रेजेडी का जो शेक्सपियरियन ट्रेजेडी की जो कैरेक्टरिस्टिक है, इट arouses pity and fear for the protagonist that is fulfilled. Okay, then the sergeant says, I am faint, my gaseous cry for help. Duncan, so well the words become that the monks. That sergeant, while he is speaking, he says that I am about to faint. मैं बेहोश होने वाला हूँ, मैं गिरने वाला हूँ. And he cries for help. And the king Duncan says that his words and his wounds shows that he is faithful, he is devoted to country, and please bring him to a doctor. वो कहता है कि उसको डॉक्टर के पास ले जाओ. Then King Duncan asks, who comes here? Malcolm answers, the worthy Thenocros. And Lennox says, what has looked through his eyes, so should he look. The seems to speak in strange. जो Lennox है, he is also attended there. He is belong to the people who are there in the camp. He says that Lennox says that इसके चेहरे पे जो है एक मतलब क्या कह सकते हैं, बेचैनी सी क्यों दिख रही है, ये कुछ कहना चाह रहे हैं. एंड रोज केम, गॉड से द किंग. रोज जैसे आता है और वो कहता है गॉड से द किंग. डंकन से हेंस केम यू वर्दी थेन. डंकन उससे पूछता है कि वर्दी थेन फ्रॉम वेयर आर यू कमिंग. एंड ही सेज फ्रॉम 5 ग्रेट किंग, कि मैं जो है 5 से आ रहा हूँ. Where the Norwegian banners cloud the sky and Fenna people called Norwin himself with terrible numbers. Assisted by that most of disloyal traitor, the Fen of Cawdor began a dismal conflict. वो कहता है कि I am coming from the battleground, from the place where the Norwegian armies have attacked, and with this terrible attack, our Fen, that is the Fen of Cawdor, he has become traitor. He has helped the Norwegian army. And what happens with that Fen of Cawdor? That till that Belluna's bridegroom and Belluna's bridegroom, this is the symbol given to Macbeth. Belluna is the goddess of war, and her bridegroom, I mean a brave soldier, a brave captain, Macbeth, wins over Fen of Cawdor also, and he says that point against point, table and arm against arm, counting his lavish spirit to conclude, the victory fell on us. He says that the Fen of Cawdor is a traitor. He supported Norwegian army, but the Norwegian army has been defeated by the Captain Macbeth, who has been symbolized here as Belluna's bridegroom. Then King Duncan says, great happiness, it's really happiness. Then Rose says, that now Sweno, the Norwegian kings, craves compositions, nor would we design him burial of his men, till he disbursed at St. Columns inch $10,000 to our general use. And now he reports, that Thenopros reports to the King Duncan, that now the Norwegian king wants our permission to bury his dead soldiers on our ground, and our captain Macbeth has ordered him to give $10,000 to get the permission. So उसने, you see students how powerful is Macbeth in the play. He wins the battle and then decides the punishment for the enemy. I mean, everything is done by him. There is no role of the king. And then King Duncan says, no more that then Thenop powder shall be seen. हाँ, it should be done. Okay, इससे ज़्यादा तो होना भी, मतलब इससे ये तो उसको होना ही है, मतलब उसको इसकी सजा तो मिलनी ही है. And then our boss, no more that Thenop powder shall be seen. And the Thenop powder, who has deceived the King Duncan and deceived his native land, he says that he should not be expelled, he should not be escaped. And our bosom interest, he says that the Thenop Cawdor will not get our support anymore, and go pronounce his present death. And the King Duncan ordered the Rose, Thenop Rose, to kill him. This question also may be asked in the objective questions. Whom does the King Duncan order to kill, or to applicate the death of Thenop Cawdor? I mean, by whom the Thenop Cawdor is punished? By the king. And who gets this order? The Thenop Rose. And he applicate the applicate the order of the King Duncan to kill the Thenop Cawdor, to punish the Thenop Cawdor. I mean, who gets the order to punish the Thenop Cawdor? That Thenop Rose gets this order. And then with his former title, Great Macbeth, and that at same time the King Duncan says to Thenop Rose that you give this title, I mean reward this title to Macbeth. Rose says, I will see it done. And the Thenop Rose says, sir, I will complete. Duncan, what he has lost, noble Macbeth has won. And with this line of King Duncan, the scene second of act first ends here. He says that what he has lost, I mean the Thenop Cawdor has lost by deceiving the king. The Macbeth has won by serving the nation, by serving the king, and fighting for the country. So what he has lost, what the Thenop Cawdor has lost, he has lost his designation, and that designation, the Thenop Cawdor, has been awarded to the Captain Macbeth. Dear students, it is the end of the act second, and this act establishes the valor, the power, the bravery, and the decision making of the General Macbeth. And it shows that Macbeth, the working of Macbeth, was not less than a king. He has all the powers in him. I mean, after winning the battle, he decides the punishment for the enemy army, and it shows that he was much capable. He was given much power to decide the state affairs. Thank you.